to another how-to video. This is Nicole and I do how-tos on cooking simple foods. So welcome back, and this is a really short clip on how to make shrimp egg rolls my way. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so these here are cooking. They don't take long at all. I think this took about 4 minutes to cook, if that long. So here's my first batch of my egg roll. It's my first batch. So I'm gonna let them cool. And I just threw out a lot of mustard and soy sauce and all that stuff. But I have more. You know, the ones you gather from the Chinese store. So that was a short clip on my my how-to video on simple foods. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. These are the shrimp egg rolls, well, shrimp rolls. I didn't put the egg in it, but this is the finished product. Very simple, very easy, very delicious. I thank you again one more time for tuning in with me, keeping me company. It's always a pleasure seeing you. Guys, if you like this video, please remember to hit that bell so that you can be alerted with each video to come. Subscribe, like, share. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Assalamu alaikum.